Now, if you missed out on Bitcoin 2009, you shouldn't miss out on BTCs. BTCs is a new coin and it's like a sibling to Bitcoin, founded by Satoshi Nakamoto. So if you want to know how to mine BTCs on this platform, stick to this video to the end. What up guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel Up on Time, where we make review on money making applications and websites just to bring you guys the best, nothing but the best. So if today is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead, smash the subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell sign so you get notified once I upload another lovely, another sweet, another money making application on website video for you. So let's go into the video. Alright guys, to make use of this platform, the first thing you need to do is to click on the link in the description below to sign up and download this application. And once you download the application, you will need to go through the KYC procedure. The KYC, you all know what that means. If you don't know, it means know your customer. So after the KYC procedure, you can start mining. I've already done all that. I won't be able to show you now, sorry, but I've told you it's easy, something you can do. So now when you get to the app, the first thing you should do after you complete your sign up and every other details that are important, you come over to the mining down here. Once you get here, you'll see this page. I'm already on the page, on the mining page. And now you need to know one thing: you are not mining Bitcoin here. You are not mining Bitcoin, you are mining BTCs. But while mining BTCs, you also have the chance of getting Bitcoin. There are a lot of things to do, a lot of rewards that come with it that gives you Bitcoin. And even daily, each time you come into this application to mine, you have a bonus of Bitcoin daily, which is about 46 Satoshi. They give you that daily free of charge. So if you want to increase this Bitcoin, increase your BTC daily, you need to try and refer people. It helps you to increase the Bitcoin, and you'll be able to perform in the giveaway. I'll come to that later. So let me just show you when you come into the application, and as you can see, we're on the mining side already. And okay, now in this application, while mining, you mine every every uh, every 10 minutes. There is a block. Every 10 minutes you can come over and claim your blocks that were already mined. You come over here, down here, where you can see receive BTCs. All you need to do is click it, and you will see right above here, you see all the blocks. Everything you mine will come to this particular place. You will see every BTC that you mine will add up here, and while you claim Bitcoin, it's gonna be on the right here. So as you can see, I have a lot of blocks that are waiting for me to be claimed. You can see all this. So all I need to do now is just click here, click on receive BTC. As you can see, I'm already mining. The mining is in process. So all I need to do is to claim what I've already mined, the ones waiting for me. So I just need to click here. Come on, connection. All right, I claim. You can see my BTCs balance has increased, and you see all the blocks are gone. So oh, this network issue. So all the blocks are gone. Now, in order for you to also increase your hash rate, the referral helps in doing that. And also there are other giveaway that is on the application you can take advantage of. like the giveaway, but the giveaway is daily, every day. There's a giveaway every day, but before you be able to participate in this giveaway, you need to invite at least one or two. And if you, let's say you invite like one person or two people this week, you will be able to participate in the giveaway next week. You won't be able to participate the same week or the same day. No, it's gonna be like next week you're gonna participate in this giveaway. This network is so slow. Come on. All right, now this is how it works. You can see over here you'll have the chance of winning 888 USDT worth of Bitcoin in this giveaway. You can also win 88 USDT worth of Bitcoin, 8 USDT worth of Bitcoin 1, 0.1 and 0.01 worth of Bitcoin. And these are already people that have already won. You can see them Monday, Saturday, Sunday. Yeah, from Monday to Saturday, Sunday. These are people, like 5 people on Sunday, 30, so on, so on, so on and so forth. You see, now before you be able to participate in this, you will need to vote up BTC. You see, mine is not active because I started using this application like 2 days ago. Yes, so I haven't participated in any giveaway, and I can't participate now till next week. So to participate in this, you need to vote up one of these letters, BTC. You just have to choose one, and to vote you need to you'll be voting each time you get a referral. You'll be given 100 points, 100 votes. So you can use this 100 votes uh, in putting up on this BTC. That is, you add it up and use it in voting. You vote for, if it is B that comes out, you win. If it is T, if it is C, you win. You'll be given something from the giveaway. Your account will be credited with Bitcoin. So to participate in this, maybe I'm going to do another video showing you how to participate in this, because right now I can't. I'm just new on the platform, so I can't. But I'm going to do another video to show you how to participate in the BTC in the giveaway. So over here, let me go back. Over here in the mining factory, let's come to the mining factory. You will see your people that you invited, that joined, and you can see receive recruit reward. I have someone that just joined, and is mining. I haven't received the reward, so I need to click here. Okay, it has been added to my BTC over here. You can see 2330. So each time you do that, you'll be getting Bitcoin. Each time you bring people up and they keep mining, also you get Bitcoin. So now they have also the gift cards. You can use these gift cards to increase your hash rate, like sending to people. You can send to other users on your on your mining, on your like your referrals. Yes, let me even show you. If you want to refer, this is where you come to recruit miners. Here you copy this link. Over here you copy your link and share with your friends. You put it on your social media platforms and every other place you can get referrals. But guys, don't sleep on this. BTCs mining has potential. It has potential because it is also gonna be like Bitcoin, definitely, even if it's not now, in the nearest future. Don't sleep on this. It's the same thing that happened when Bitcoin was launched. A lot of people overlooked it, and today they are full of regrets. And don't be among those people now. This is another chance for you. So a total supply of 2.1 billion, and right now the more people mine this BTC, it's gonna half, and once it's half, it's gonna reduce, and the mining rate is gonna be half later on. So guys, if you want to join the platform and don't want to miss anything, I'll leave a link in the description below. Click on it, download, sign up, download the application, and start mining. I told you earlier on, complete your KYC and you are good to go. I will be making another video on how to participate in the giveaway for you to understand better. So if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the bell sign. Thank you for watching, and see ya next time.